Welcome to another Q&A session from the playlist of basic maths for the NEET preparation. The topic is the differentiation of a trigonometric function. So here I have one question which is written here on this board, and this is a trigonometric function. That is, we have to find the value of dy by dx of this trigonometric function, which is sine square x plus cos square y is equal to sine 2y. So here we will be differentiating each trigonometric ratio separately. Now let us consider that u is equal to sine square x. So here I will be using the product rule, which is equal to sine x into sine x. So the differentiation of this trigonometric ratio with respect to x will be equal to sine x into the differentiation of this sine x, which is equal to cos x. So sine x cos x, and again I will be getting sine x multiplied by the differentiation of this sine x. So that will be equal to again sine x cos x. So I will be getting the value as 2 sine x cos x, and this is equal to sine 2x. Now let us consider the trigonometric ratio cos square y. So let us take that v is equal to cos square y. So dv upon dx in this case will be equal to, now this can be further written as cos y into cos y. So here also I will be using the product rule. So I will be getting cos y into the differentiation of cos y. So this is equal to minus sin y into dy by dx. So finally the dv upon dx, if this if cos square y is equal to v, then dv upon dx will be equal to minus cos y into it is cos y into minus sin y dy by dx. Cos y into minus sin y dy by dx, and again I will be getting the same value, that is cos y into minus sin y into dy by dx. So finally I will be getting this as 2 times, that is minus 2 sin y cos y dy by dx. So this will be equal to minus 2 sin 2y dy by dx. And the differentiation of, let us say this sin 2y is equal to z, then dz upon dy, sorry, dz upon dx, dz upon dx will be equal to 2 cos 2y into dy by dx. So from here what I will be doing is I will be simply substituting the value of du by dx here. So this will be equal to sin 2x and minus 2 sorry, now this is equal to 2 cos, this is not minus, this is will be equal to sin 2y minus sin 2y, because here I will be getting 2 cos y sin y, which is equal to minus sin 2y. So this will be equal to minus sin 2y dy by dx, and this will be equal to 2 cos 2y dy by dx. So from here we will be able to find the value of dy by dx. So from here I can write dy by dx. This term can be taken on the right side. So dy by dx, and I will be getting in bracket as sine 2y plus 2 cos 2y, and this will be equal to sine 2x. So dy by dx will be equal to sine 2x divided by sine 2y plus 2 cos 2y. So the value of dy by dx of this trigonometric function will be equal to sine 2x divided by sine 2y plus 2 cos 2y. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic of differentiation. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.